Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be sharing with you what's in the freezer. Basically, all the protein that I have collected over the past couple of weeks that I need to use up, and I want to show you guys all that protein because this is how I keep our groceries so low, is that I collect little bits and pieces of protein, and then when I know that I am full of protein, I get to work and I use it all up. So today I'm taking you with me into the freezer. Woo. Woo.
Hello friends, welcome to our freezer. Look at all of these things. It's just things, full of things and more things, and I'm gonna show you all the things right now so you guys can kind of get an idea of what's going on in here. And please excuse the freezer, I haven't cleaned it in a while. I've cleaned the refrigerator, but I haven't cleaned the freezer, so obviously you're gonna see it in its rare form. Oh, before I put this away, this is an ice cream brownie cake thing that I made for Thanksgiving that we are currently eating up and enjoying. And I used these two ice creams. This is from Giant Eagle. Giant Eagle. This was part of our Thanksgiving and birthday things that we bought. So we're using that up as well. So mint ice cream and vanilla, both of those are in there. I totally should have did a video to show you guys that, but anyway, it's super easy, you guys. Just make brownies, put it in the bottom of your springform pan, and put ice cream on top, and then like crumble the rest of the brownies on top. It's easy, super easy. Anyway, let's talk about protein. So here, you guys are gonna see this. So turkey breast, and then more turkey breast. So we got two things of turkey breast there, and this is my turkey soup mix. So basically, it's just chopped up white turkey, like white meat turkey, and then I chop up celery, and then that's basically a soup starter for me. And then I have this big old honking thing, and this is my chopped turkey. That's all I call it, chopped turkey. So I use this kind of like for casseroles, or my favorite is to just turn it into like a turkey gravy with the actual meat in it. Serve it over rice with veggies. Oh, it's so good. So basically, you just saw 4 or 5, because I split this into 2 meals, 5 different meals that I made. So you got one turkey breast, another turkey breast, the turkey soup, and then the chopped turkey. So that's 5 meals right there, 5 proteins. Underneath here, I have a pepperoni pizza and a sausage and pepperoni. And if you guys watch my haul video, that's going to be coming up in a couple of days. Actually, when it comes out, I'll put an iCard here so you can go watch it. You'll see that I bought 4 cheese pizzas to go with these 2 meat pizzas. So that's for our Pizza Fridays. So we're gonna use those up for Pizza Friday. This isn't a protein, but in the back here, you have English muffins. So we have 2 packs left. I just pulled out a pack for us to use for this week, but we're gonna be using those up. And I didn't buy a lot of bread because I want us to use up those English muffins. So that's not protein, but just wanted to point that out to you guys. Okay, next, let's put you back over here so we can have you. Next is all of the real proteins. So, I mean, besides our soft pretzels. We're obsessed with soft pretzels here. I'm from New Jersey, which is, you know, close to the Philly area, so soft pretzels are a thing. So I always have soft pretzels in the house. I know, it's weird. But anyway, protein. So this is awesome. And I know you guys are probably like, oh my God, look at that freezer burn. Trust me, it doesn't matter, especially for a soup mix. I'm using this for soup. You don't taste it. You use all your seasonings in it. It's totally fine. So I know I'm gonna get comments about the freezer burn, but I don't really care about it, you guys. To tell you the truth, especially when I'm making this for soup. So this is, I got like a big roast, and I used 1/3 of the roast for stew, another third for stew again, and then this is the last little bit, and I chopped it up into little tiny beef pieces, and I'm gonna make beef soup with that. So that's another protein. So I think we're like, including the pizza, we're at 7 protein. 7. We're already at 7. And then here is our chicken thighs. We have so much turkey, you guys. Chicken thighs right here. And then I have a whole bag of salmon. A whole bag of salmon I have yet to open. So we have salmon fillets that I need to use up as well. Move this stuff out of the way so you guys can see how much stinking protein we have in here. This is more turkey thighs. I think these are bone-in though. More turkey. I mean turkey. Why do I keep saying turkey, you guys? It's chicken! More chicken. Chicken thighs. We have ground beef not cooked right here. Sometimes I cook it and I put it in the bag. Sometimes I don't. This one will probably be used for like Salisbury steak because it's not cooked. But I have one of those, and then I have two of those. And I also have taco shells underneath there, which means one of these two is probably gonna be used for baked tacos, which is one of my favorite things ever, ever, ever. So yeah, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 1, 2, 3. 3 beefs, 4, 5, 6, plus the other 7, so we're at 13. We're at 13, you guys. That's a lot of protein. That's a ton of protein. Okay, so next, I made little tuna cakes. We had mashed potatoes left over from Thanksgiving, and I had canned tuna. So I made tuna cakes, and that has onion in it, and I think I put celery in here as well. So I have tuna cakes ready to go. I can bake these or fry them, but they are ready. They're frozen, but they're ready to go. This is not a protein, but this is my little kit that I use for stock. So right now I have some celery in there. We get leftover celery from Thanksgiving. There is some onion in there, and then as I come across like little carrot bits, I put carrots in there as well. So that's ready to go whenever I'm ready to make stock. I have a whole turkey from all those turkey sales, and this will be roasted either for New Year's Eve or New Year's Day. So this is gonna be here for a while, but it's gonna be used again. And then once I roast it, I'm gonna go remember those things I showed you in the beginning? I'm gonna do the same thing with this turkey. So it does not go to waste. I love it. Oh my gosh. I've got all the giblets and the neck and all that stuff. This is something that I will save for the cat when I make his cat food, because I love putting giblets in his cat food. He really likes it. So sometimes I'll roast them and then turn it into cat food, but I do save all the giblets and stuff for him. So even the cat has protein in here, you guys. And then these, oh my gosh, I don't know if I can get them out. So this, you can't even tell what this is, but I know what it is. This is pork chops in brine. So I brine my pork chops, and I brine them, and then I put them in the freezer, and they are the most delicious, delectable things you will ever taste. So here's my tip for you. You get pork chops on sale. These were on sale, that's why they're in here. Brine them immediately, and then put them in a freezer bag, put them in the freezer, and you can keep them in the brine in the freezer. They're totally fine. And then this is not a protein, but can you see what that is? That's delicious turkey stock, which we're gonna use for soup. Probably that turkey soup starter that I showed you, but there is a ton of it, and I'm excited to use it, and it's gonna be delicious. Oh. All right, guys, so that is all of my protein that I have already in the freezer. If you guys watched the haul video, you'll see I did buy even more protein, which is insane because this is full and I don't know where I'm gonna put it. So I'm either gonna have to cook it this week or figure it out. But I will be using this up over the next couple of weeks, so you guys probably won't see me buy protein in many of my hauls over the next couple of weeks, but that's okay. This is why I do what I do. This is how I keep my grocery budget super low, is I get protein when I can. I keep little bits of it for certain meals and odds and ends and soups and things like that. And that's how I stretch our protein and I stretch our budget. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, go ahead and give me a like, let me know. If you guys want more tips like this, like little weird things that I do to save money on groceries, comment below and let me know. Just say, yes, more tips, and I will make more videos like this. And make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet. We would love to have you be part of our frugal crew over here. And I am totally enjoying doing these videos for you guys. But I will see you again in a couple of days.